Oh, maybe I'm not quite finished. Maybe not by a long shot.
Ha!
Oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What?
I make this look good.
No! Don't look at my hair!
What? Some people just don't get funny.
Load this batch of microbiotic primordial ooze into the helicopter. If seeding the clouds works, then microbes of primordial ooze will rain down on this planet and infect everything from plants to animals to insects. All will become dinosaurs. Nothing will stand against my plans. It will herald a new dawn, the end of man, the rise of the dinosaurs.
Don't you love your new food, Rumpy? No way! I don't believe you!
Perfect. Super Geek strikes again. Look, I know you're still mad at me, but I was hoping we could still be friends.
Rodger, of course we're still friends. Don't be silly.
I love you! I love you!
No way! Really? You love me? Sweet!
Guys, no offense, but I really don't love either one of you. I mean, no.
I love you!
See? She loves me! No! Me! She loves me!
Guys, wait. I didn't say that. I mean, I heard my voice say that, but I didn't say that. At least, I don't think I said I love you!
Hey, everybody! Fiona loves both Pat and Mike.
I love you!
She loves me! No! She loves me!
Rodger! That's it, Rodger!
We've had enough, and we are not taking any more.
The jokes have gone too far, Raj.
Are you even listening, Rodger? Man, he's not even listening to us.
You should have seen the look on your faces. Oh, dog, that was too rich. All of you, too rich.
Rodger, you are just acting so... It's just outrageous.
You gotta cool it with the jokes.
Yeah. Dude, you made me look like a total nitwit. That's harsh, man.
You almost cost me the game, Rodger. You almost made me let down the whole team, the whole school down. I work hard at what I do. I don't get you, Rodger.
Look at my short hair. I can't go out in public like this.
I can't go out in public either because those two goons, Pat and Mike, think I'm in love with them. Thanks to you. The whole school is calling me Pat's girlfriend, Mike's girlfriend. It's the most horrible, embarrassing thing. It makes me look like a complete ditz.
But it's so funny.
Huh?
It's Velocity. He's on the move. He's heading for that large storm cloud.
Perhaps he's planning on seeding it?
But seeding it with what?
Velocity does seem to have a one-track mind. I'll give you one guess.
He's gonna make it rain dinosaurs?
Rodger, is that cumulonimbus?
It is.
In English, please.
A thunderhead. The cloud. And maybe we can use that to our advantage. Velocity's primordial ooze is temperature sensitive. If we could freeze it before it even left the cloud in the form of rain, then that would probably destroy the ooze or burst it at a cellular level. We'll need a quantity of silver iodide and dry ice, compounds generally used to seed clouds for rain. It causes the lowering of temperature in the clouds to form ice, which then becomes heavier and falls, becoming rain on the way down. The ice is the part we need. But how to deliver the payload?
Maybe not one payload, but 5 separate payloads.
Delivered simultaneously by 5 separate remote-controlled rockets. And geeks shall rule the earth.